Today, I'm going to show you whether your customers love you or they hate you. Welcome back to Lead Tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about sentiment analysis. Identifying sentiment in a sentence is an easy job for a human. We can easily tell a sentence whether they are positive or negative. We can also teach a machine to do the job for us using a technique called sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis can help e-commerce merchants to understand how customers think of their product after their purchase, what are the hotel guests' experience after their stay, and even for politicians to find out the public perception after they have delivered their campaign speech. The idea behind lexicon-based sentiment analysis is pretty straightforward. Given a review say the food is good but service is terrible, what sentiment analysis does is to scan the sentence and find their sentiment words. And then we'll go through a dictionary of sentiment lexicon to find out their corresponding valence score. And based on this, we can estimate the positive and sentiment of a sentence, and also we can combine the score to calculate the overall compound score. Next, let's look at how we can implement our own Python script to analyze the sentiments of e-commerce product reviews. We're going to use a library called NLTK, which stands for Natural Language Toolkit. NLTK is a powerful Python library that helps us to perform natural language processing tasks such as tokenization, stemming, tagging, and also semantic reasoning. So first of all, we need to import the NLTK library and also the sentiment intensity analyzer as well. After we have initialized the library, we will then need to download the lexicon. Let's see how we can analyze this review. Assign the review to a variable called text. And then we can initialize a copy of the sentiment intensity analyzer and call the polarity score functions from the analyzer. And lastly, we print the score, save it, and run the Python script. Alright, we can see that the results is negative 0.065, neutral 0.547, positive 0.388, and the final compound score is 0.9152. So what does it mean? It means that this review is 38.8% positive, 6.5% negative, and 54.7% neutral. And the overall sentiment score is 91.52% positive. So this is a very positive review. Let's look at another example. Similarly, let's assign the review to the variable text. Save it, run our Python script again. And this time around, we get negative 0.243, neutral 0.651, positive 0.105, and the overall score is negative 0.7348. So again, what does it mean? This particular review is only 10.51% positive, 65.17 neutral, and 24.32% negative. So the overall score is negative 73.48%, which is a pretty negative review. This example shows you how easy it is to use Python to analyze sentiment for your product reviews. Leave your questions in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Have fun coding in Python.